Okay, folks, here's what I've got. Company sent me this beer can chicken pan right here. This is what they sent. It came with this, and it came with this cup right here as well. That'll fit down over that, and that'll keep the chicken off the can. I'm gonna wash the can anyway, so we're gonna set that chicken on there. And they sent this to me to review, so I've got it sitting in a cast iron pan. I'm gonna drop that chicken over there and see how it works out for us. Small bird. And I gotta open that can of Sprite there, but I also gotta season this thing. So that's what we got. That's how we're gonna cook it. We're gonna bake that thing in the oven, and we'll see how it turns out. Y'all looking to do it? Okay, we got a little thermometer here, and chicken's been cooking about an hour. We'll get here and get this breast, see what we get. Just light that thing up. She's not quite there, but there you go, looking pretty on the beer can chicken, the Sprite can chicken.